Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The stability of cyclohexane conformers is determined by the proportion of time the substituents can occupy equatorial positions, which minimizes 1,3 diaxial interactions. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substitution pattern. We have 1-ethyl, 3-methylcyclohexane, meaning the two substituents are at C1 and C3 which are in a 1,3 relationship, both on the same side of the ring in terms of numbering. Moving on to the next step. Analyze the CIS isomer A. In CIS 1-ethyl, 3-methylcyclohexane, the ethyl and methyl groups are on the same face of the ring. For a 1,3 disubstituted cyclohexane, when substituents are CIS they are in a 1,3 relationship where both can simultaneously occupy equatorial positions in one chair conformation. When both groups are on the same face at C1 and C3 in the most stable chair, both substituents can be placed equatorial. Since C1 and C3 are 1,3 positions, CIS substituents at these positions are both equatorial in one chair. This gives a highly stable diequatorial conformation. And for the final step, analyze the trans isomer B. In trans 1-ethyl, 3-methylcyclohexane, the two substituents are on opposite faces of the ring. For 1,3 disubstituted cyclohexane, the trans isomer forces one group equatorial and the other axial in both chair conformations. There is no conformation in which both substituents are simultaneously equatorial. This means the molecule always bears axial strain. Compare. The CIS isomer A can adopt a diequatorial conformation, both ethyl and methyl equatorial, making it more stable. The trans isomer B always has one axial substituent regardless of which chair conformation it adopts. Option B is wrong because B cannot achieve a diequatorial arrangement. Option C is wrong because there is a clear difference in conformational stability. Option D is wrong because a direct comparison is possible using conformational analysis. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.